Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? They are some anti-slip stickers by a company called Secopad. This is the box that they come in. And what I have here is a 24-pack. So they're going to come in these little packages, which looks like this. And then once you open them up, of course, you get the stickers. I absolutely love these. They're made out of just a PVC material with a nice texture on the one side and a smooth on the other side with a peel and stick. So how you are going to apply these, you want to make sure your surface is nice and clean, make sure there's no dust, debris, dirt, whatever. And then you're going to just peel it on and stick them in place. Hold it down for about 30 to 60 seconds, and then I personally like it to get water-free for 24 hours. That makes sure it really adheres. We've been using these for several years, and a couple, after like 5 years, a few of them have popped up, and so we are replacing them. Like I said, you get a nice big collection of them. You can also use them, so I'm using them in the tub, which keeps you from sliding around, especially with kiddos. But you can also use these outside on a wooden deck if you're worried about somebody slipping down the stairs. And they're just fun little kind of blob or snowflake pattern here, and they come in a ton of colors. I have the blue one here because it just likes the pop of the color, but you can also get them white to match a tub, or clear if you don't want them to, basically you want that material underneath to shine out. But very easy to clean once they're stuck down. So you can put them, like I said, in the shower. You can have them in a tub where they're completely submerged. They're completely waterproof. And even when you're cleaning, they don't come up or anything like that. They're really easy to clean off. Now, if you do ever want to remove them, they do include a nice little plastic scraper here, which makes removing them a lot easier. But overall, I've been very pleased with them. They've worked really well. I like the fact that these kind of little shapes, you can kind of move them wherever you want instead of just having straight lines or anything. But if you are in the market for some anti-slip solutions, I think these are totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do tip and respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.